if you want a low-carbon economy, you're going to have a lot more electricity. If you have a lot more electricity and you want it to be low-carbon, you're going to have, at the aggregate level in Europe, a relatively high level of renewables, which means intermittency. And thirdly, because you've got intermittency, because you've got a diversity of supplies, you probably need smarter infrastructures, smarter networks to cope with the flexible supply management, but also flexible demand management. And that in a context where we know that national solutions in terms of balancing energy demand are probably more expensive than European solutions, because the bigger the network, the more likely it is that you're going to exploit these economies of scale and scope and also guarantee energy security better. And fourthly, one of the major conclusions is that even if we're struggling now to try to persuade governments that we need to take measures, binding measures to use energy better, after all, energy efficiency is probably the least cost, the most cost-effective part of our energy mix, if you can get there. In fact, the 20% objective for 2020, which we have originally had in Europe for the last 5 years, is probably only halfway to what we need to achieve if we want to achieve the 2050 objective.